Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device and keyboard type, because menus differ. Open Settings, then General or System, and tap Keyboard. Once done, select the keyboard you actually use. If you rely on a third-party keyboard, open its app now and grant any permissions required. Make sure Keyboard is enabled in Input Methods. You're taking the first actionable steps. Navigate directly to Keyboard Preferences and stay on the screen so you can change autocorrect behaviors in the next step. Once you're in Keyboard Settings, toggle autocorrect off or on depending on your preference, and decide if predictive text helps you. Then open Text Replacement on iOS or Personal Dictionary on Android to add, edit, or remove specific entries. This controls replacements and persistent corrections. Make sure languages and layouts are correct. Changing language can alter autocorrect rules. You should also clear learned words if the keyboard keeps suggesting unwanted entries. Doing this resets the learned dictionary for cleaner behavior. You finish by testing in a messaging app or notes to verify autocorrect now matches your intent. Type common problem words and watch behavior. If problems continue, clear the keyboard cache or reset the keyboard dictionary to remove learn mistakes, and then retest. If a third-party keyboard misbehaves, update or reinstall its app and make sure permissions and input method selection are correct. Troubleshooting tip: if autocorrect still acts up, temporarily switch keyboards to isolate whether the OS or the app is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.